Hey, Benjamen Pickering, so we're at IKEA. How are your puppets? How are your puppets going? Oh, you're doing such a great job, Ben. Wild strawberry. Torva. Torva.
But I'm a really nice
Wild
lion
strawberry.
now. But man, I use my teeth to eat wholesome foods. Carnivores are so good. I love asparagus. Yum.
Very good.
Hey, give me
Soft toy, broccoli. Soft toy is torva.
Give me 10.
Broccoli, but what is broccoli?
Yeah, carrot. Here, let's feed it to the
Don't throw it on the floor. Don't throw it.
Took me and kept my species alive. You know, because we were dying off, but they rebreeded us and kept us alive. So in a way, you know, I gotta thank the humans that they fed us, kept us, you know, alive, and kept our species still alive. You know, kept our generation going. Nice. Let's feed the humans. Let me help them. Nice lion. Oh.
Nice lion. Look, it's the little friend of the mouse. Look, it's the little mouse friend. Look.
Oh, no. Little bunny foo-foo hopping through the forest. The fairy came down and said, little bunny foo-foo, I want to see you. Scooping up the field mouse and bopping them on the head. Where'd the mouse go? Where'd the rebound, where'd he go? Carrot time. I can't get I'm going nuts. I just want to eat vegan food.
Land it.
I mean, this rat is just, I can't find him. He's cool. I mean, he's my best friend. But where's he at? He's just flying around. He's like, I'm going to rebound.
Little land. Dolman. Hey, my grandpa's mommy was a dolman, and this is a dolman with the little pigs. Benny, you ready to leave?